Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cryptomus to pay with crypto. First, create your Cryptomus account by opening the Cryptomus platform, signing up with your email and password, and then verifying your email. Next, complete basic verification if required. Some payments may need KYC, where you may be asked to upload your ID card and a selfie for confirmation. After that, add crypto to your wallet by going to your wallet or balance section and selecting USDT or USDC. Then deposit funds using a supported network such as TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Now, start the payment on the merchant website where you want to pay, such as a trading platform, and select Cryptomus or crypto payment as your payment method. Next, choose your currency by selecting USDT or USDC, depending on what is required. After that, copy the payment details carefully. You will see the wallet address, the network type, and the exact amount, and it is important to copy everything correctly. Now, open your Cryptomus wallet dashboard and click on Send or Transfer. Then, enter the payment details by pasting the wallet address, selecting the correct network, and entering the exact amount. Make sure all details match perfectly because the network is very important. Finally, confirm the transaction by reviewing all details, clicking Send or Confirm, and completing any security verification required. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.